I just picked this up. $1,000. Chevy Silverado 4x4. I was on my way to getting 3 weed whackers, a leaf blower, and 2 chainsaws for free. I saw this, brand new tires, on for $2,500, and I called the guy and I had him talk down to $1,800 before I even got there. I got there.
As I've been covering this story now.
I drove it. We got out of the car and I said, I'll give you $1,000 cash. He pulled out the cash and he took it. It is so clean. Original owner. His ad actually on Craigslist was ready for prom. It's got a seat.
Here at WGBH News. He says that the
it's right there.
team is not going.
Goes right here. It has a seat belt. This guy custom made this little box. It's got the plastic floor, which is perfect for, you know, because I'm going to use this for a work truck and my hunting truck. It does have 200,000 miles. It does have rust. It's got 4-wheel drive and a sweet topper. Similar minded guys, just a little conversation and $1,000. So we'll see how long this sucker lasts me, huh? Score. Oh, I'll show you the inside.
From the Joe Hartson I trial for a moment, Philip. He had some friends at school at UMass Dartmouth, just south of Boston. They're facing
it's got a detachable face stereo.
From obstruction of justice.
Not that that matters. Has a cigarette lighter.
Bombing, but is there any role that they could play in
here's the mileage.
As it moves into
212,000. But she clean. I am totally stoked. Score!